Well, good morning. I'm David Wade, the President and CEO of EPB in Chattanooga. Last year at the World Quantum Congress, we had the opportunity to announce we were building our country's first commercial quantum network, available to really the whole industry, not particular parts of the industry, not only those of a certain size, but really anyone. We did that in partnership with Cubatech. Since that time, we've really worked to build the network out and to have it running and have it operational and we've also added a partnership with that. We're here today to talk about that continued growth of the network. We've added Aliro as our partner on the software side of things. And so today we're here to announce that we have the first software-defined quantum network. We're really thrilled about the ability to create a space that's reconfigurable for individual needs and is able to reconfigure at the time later down the road. So with that said, I'm going to turn the microphone over to one of our partners, Cubatech, and their Chief Technology Officer and co-founder, Duncan Earl. Duncan?
Thank you, David, and I just want to say Cubatech really appreciates the opportunity to have worked with EPB over the past few years to bring this first commercial quantum network to life. So this is a commercial quantum network that's really going to be a destination for developers of quantum products and quantum solutions. They can come and use this network to test, to validate, to characterize, and to run some of the software applications, some of the different quantum applications that you can on a quantum network. So I'd just like to mention really quickly some of the very unique aspects of this network. First, we're saying commercial quantum network quite a bit here because it is a first. Nowhere else do you have a commercial network that people can subscribe to actually increase access, allow everyone to utilize the unique resources on this network. So this managed network creates capabilities that others really have not had before. Just to highlight some of these, there's over 300 diagnostic data points that are taken on this network every second and logged. And that is by EPB that owns the network, manages it, and shares that data with users as needed. So this system is really about allowing people to test new products in communications, in quantum computing, and quantum sensing. And the network has the flexibility really to meet all of those different types of applications. And again, it's open to everyone in the quantum community, whether you're a university, a national lab, and most importantly, industry, to come and utilize it. One of the critical aspects about this network that we really were careful to design in was that there were common use resources needed by all of those applications I just mentioned. Qubit generators, qubit detection systems, control of qubit fidelity across the network. We've created all of these capabilities in the network and sort of built it in for the users to use so they don't have to develop that themselves. Now, when a user comes to Chattanooga and utilizes this network, that really starts by designing the network for their specific application. So they will use a software from Aliro Quantum, a software package called the Aliro Orchestrator, to define what they want this network to do for their specific application. And ultimately, they will submit that to EPB to be implemented using this software-defined network structure. To tell you more about that software, I'd like to introduce Jim Ricotta, who is the CEO of Aliro Quantum, to tell you more about it.
Thank you, Duncan. My company, Aliro Quantum, is a 4-year-old startup based in the Boston area and backed by U.S. venture capital firms. We're very proud to be selected to be the control software and the management software for the EPB Cubatech Quantum Network, our nation's first commercial quantum network, which marks a huge milestone in quantum development. Our team is unique in that we have quantum physicists, but we also have many people on our team, including myself, who have built networking products at at Cisco Systems and other network giants, and we know how the classical internet scaled from the basics in labs to what we have today. And our vision is to do the same thing for quantum networking. So what we're doing at EPB with Qubitekk is bringing software-defined networking to quantum. Our vision is to bring quantum networking as well as computing and sensing out of the lab and into commercial use where enterprises and government organizations and others, researchers, can get the benefits of quantum communications. Thank you. David, I'll turn it back over to you.
Thank you, Jim and Duncan. We're really excited about the opportunity to lead in this space and the opportunity that we have to open doors that may not have been opened before, for folks to come in and to develop and to test and to validate, and then to prove, validity of products. So we're excited about that. As you want to hear more about pricing, you want to schedule visits, all that can be done through epbquantumnetwork.com. And certainly look there and reach out to us for pricing and other questions. Thank you, and hope everyone has a great day.